Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the Microsoft Store error code 0x80072f17. Something went wrong, please try again later. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to resolve it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I would suggest doing would be to open up the search menu, type in WS Reset, best match, should come back with WS Reset. Go ahead and open that up. And then hopefully that should have resolved the problem. A couple other things we can look into as well would be opening up the search menu, type in settings, best match, should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select time and language on the left panel here. Make sure your date and time settings are correct. If not, you might have to go underneath date and time. And then you want to select the sync now option underneath additional settings to go ahead and sync up your date and time settings. So then just click the back arrow and go underneath language and region now. So select that. Make sure the display language is selected to the correct display language, but more importantly, you want to go underneath a region here and country or region. Click the drop down, select the correct country or region as well as regional format. You may just want to select recommended, which I think just goes off of whatever your country or region option is up here. I recommend taking a look into that as well. So pretty straightforward process, guys, on that. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.